Samsung has introduced a blockbuster. This is new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. A phone that is gonna change the photography. What makes this phone so special and unique is its camera system. You would have never seen such a camera system in any phone. It's got a massive 108 megapixel camera with space zoom feature that will allow you to zoom 100 times. Moreover, this camera brings 8K video resolution to photos. Also, don't worry about the night shots. Samsung has tripled the sensor size to click more enhanced, clear and bright photos in night. For videos, S20 Ultra allows you to shoot 8K videos, plus it has a super sophisticated AI feature to balance and stabilizes movement while you shoot the videos. Coming to other specs, this phone comes up with 5G technology, up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, 6.9-inch AMOLED display, and huge 5000 mAh battery. This phone is really one of the amazing phones from Samsung. It has got tremendous camera features, RAM is quite huge, provides enough of storage, and awesome display. So, that's all from today guys. For more videos, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.